powers, E-Bomb. Boo! Boo!
What is that?
How do you do that? What is that in your hand? What is that?
That's a fire going there.
A fire goes in there? What's it called? What's that thing called?
Yes?
Is that a wand?
Yeah.
What kind of wand is it?
It's a fire mom.
It's a fire mom wand?
Yeah.
Will it protect you from pressure points? I don't know if it'll protect you from pressure points.